Fetch AI at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a breakdown move after getting rejected within a Fibonacci key area of resistance between the 0.851 and the 0.797, and we continue to hold above a horizontal line of support above the 0.71. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the next key areas that we need to pay attention to on the short term. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video on the 4-hour chart, from the highs we made above the 0.991, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside, where I have been terming that initial drop as the formation of that wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a bounce in the formation of that second wave into the minimum target areas, an area within which we got rejected, starting another pullback in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas I came up with by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of the wave 2. And on so doing, the area that I was paying attention to was the fib ratios 1:1, and that lies above the 0.742, an area that we fully hit. Then we started a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of these wave 4, whose minimum target areas I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of the wave 2 to the low of that wave 3. And on so doing, the area that I have been paying attention to has been between the fib level 0.5 and the 382. That is the 618 and the 382, and that is between the 0.851 and the 0.798, an area within which you can now see that we are now getting rejected, and we even almost formed a double top over here. And in case the price continues to we continue seeing lower prices in the next coming hours, and maybe at some point we also lose our horizontal line of support above the 0.71, then it is most likely that we are going to continue pushing lower in the formation of these wave 5, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that first wave. And on so doing, the area that you need to pay attention to lies on the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.5888 as your next target area. And that means that if by any chance we lose the support zone above the 0.71, flipping it back into resistance, then we can easily see an aggressive pullback over here to the 0.58 as your next target areas. And that is all that I'm watching out for on the short term here on the Fetch AI chart. And in case of any bounce, then we need to see a break above the highs we made above the 0.85 for me to start considering that bounce as a more bullish case scenario to the upper side. So for now, I'm only focusing on lower prices, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and that will ensure you stay up to date.